What is up to all my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. This is super simple to do. You're going to start by going into your settings app on the home page. And once you're in settings, you're going to scroll probably about 12 options down and you will see an option called display and brightness. You're going to click on that. And right once you're in this menu, you will see at the top there are two different pictures for your iPhone, basically showing you an example of light versus dark mode. It is super simple to just click on dark and it will make your iPhone into dark mode and have all the different options and settings completely flip dark. As you could see here, you scroll through and all of the different settings options are dark, and this has applied to every single app that's on your phone. So I could back out to my home screen too, and it is a much darker background, and basically anything that's possible related to Apple will be dark. It's not perfect in translating obviously to every single app, but all of the default Apple options will be in dark mode once you enable it as so. It is pretty simple to do, but if you did have any questions on anything I showed you today, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you did find this helpful today, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.